Internet plays a vital role in everyone's life, but internet has an another side known as the dark web. The internet we use for Google, Facebook, e-commerce, bank transaction is overall just a 4%. The remaining 96% is what the another side of internet. Internet is considered as an iceberg. The tip is a surface web which we all been using, and the next level is a deep web where it cannot be accessed through the search engines. All our bank transactions and the government records are in the deep web. The last bottom is what the dark web, which turned to be the most dangerous. Dark web is accessed through a special browser, Tor, where the IP addresses are masked to hide the identity. Tor is an onion routing developed on 1990 by US Naval Research Laboratory for US intelligence communications. Onion routing is further developed by DARPA in 1997 and released to the public in 2002. The surface web, what we generally use, comes with the domain .com, where Google is one of its search engine. But the dark web comes with the domain .onion, where the Tor is one of its search engine. Now, this dark web becomes a place of illegal works, where the banned products are illegally on sale and purchased, such as drugs, weapons, fake degrees, fake passports, even personal data are also being sold. These sale transactions are done through bitcoins, which is encrypted transactions. In 2013, FBI shut down a dark web website, Silk Road, where the drugs are being sold illegally, and the man behind the Silk Road was also arrested. From then, governments from many countries are trying to control these issues. Now, dark web becomes the internet's biggest dangerous. If you want to know what is in it, FBIs and governments are watching in it. So, do not enter. Even some people who have entered this underworld dark web felt many strange things after visiting the dark webs. Some mentioned that their webcams systems are being hacked, even getting anonymous messages, and even at some cases, strange calls also being received. Internet has a lots of good things to come across, to educate, to gain knowledge and so on. But behind this, there is a warning. Just be aware of the link and the source pages you have been viewing. It may be or lead to internet's darkest side, the dark web. So, do not enter it.